Alright guys, so now we're going to be talking about the pull-ups. The pull-ups is a massive exercise to build better. So here the technique when you want to do the pull-up. For the beginners, either you get assisted machine pull-up or there's someone behind you to assist you lifting you up while you try to control 70% of your body, right? That is if there is no assisted pull-up machine at the gym, then someone can assist you so that you can be able to drag yourself. So when you do that, once you engage your arm on the pull-up bar, you want to go wide, all right? Then palm facing other side. There's a difference between chin up and pull up. All right. When you do the chin up, your palm face you. When you do the pull up, your palm face the other side. So that's the idea of doing the pull up. So when you're doing the pull up exercise, here the benefit of pull up. Like I said, it can be modified, all right, or done on assisted machine, especially for the beginners. So you see benefit from it. So those are the variations you can use. So it's for strength and building up the back muscles, arm and shoulder muscles. So the grip also increase your strength and also improve the overall body strength and fitness level. So those are what you benefit when you do the pull-up.